Okay, this is Kal Kat to Kal Katster, and this is going to be a toy unboxings. This video will be a toy unboxing of it's not really going to be a full review. I'm not going to transform him, but I'm just going to open him. It's Decepticon Octone. You can see here Decepticon Octone. He was Octane, but they couldn't get the rights to the name, so they called him Octone. And yeah, so sneak in here and pull out the memory card here, Octone, and bust him open here. Check him out here. Kind of a cheaper box than the other ones. It's from the local toy store. Octone. Alright. We don't care about what's on the back. We just care about the little guy inside. Here he's in his packaging, with little screw parts and things all connected. This little gun. Understand that he is a Titan's Return, so his head comes off. Yeah, so out of the box here. Get him out of the box. Cool. Because this is unboxing tool. Okay, that should be all of his little sprues. And that's gross. That was on my foot. Gun on the floor. And there's another gun on the floor somewhere. Find that gun. Got one of these things still stuck to his chest plate. Around the back here. Where is this connected? Like that. Where is it? It's on the inside. There. Okay. Here is Octone. He is a Decepticon, very similar to G1 Octane. Okay, Octone, back to Octone the Decepticon. He's similar to G1 Octane. Coloring is very similar. This is not a full toy review, obviously. This is just messing with him. He has fairly good articulation. Goes up and down. He's got stuff stuck to him here. His legs can kick up almost this far. He transforms. I'm not going to transform him. If you leave him this way. Just wanted to. Yeah, he's really cool. A nod to Octane, the Transformer. So his head moves around. He's got these little points. There's an Optimus Prime version of him that I think doesn't look as good as this. I don't own him, but because one of the Octane went. Yeah, so he stands up very well. So, yeah, that's Octone. Yeah. So this is sort of a meta review thing. Yeah, he's a little taller than G1. It's nice with these versions that they make them a little bigger than the original. The original was not very, the 80s was not very articulated. Yeah, so that's Octone.